was so excited when I was so excited when this Wishlist bag came out in the condition and the price I was willing to pay. There was a 15 there was a 15 there I was so excited when this Wishlist bag came out in the condition and the price I was willing to pay. There was a 15% discount code, so it was a no-brainer, add to cart, and it got here. So let's walk through why this became a Wishlist
fail.
We will start with the unboxing, then discuss what's wrong, and is there a way to resolve it, and what did I learn? Are you ready? It's the Infrarouge Palm Springs Mini, and it's from Yuki's Closet. It was listed for $15.95, and at 15% discount, it takes it down to $1,355 and change, and there was no sales tax. So that was a steal. This is listed way more on other websites. This came out in 2015. Wow, it's been 10 years already, and I saw lots of celebrities rock this, like Bella Hadid and Kourtney Kardashian. I liked it then, and this was on my wish list ever since. So, what went wrong? It's super important to inspect your bags when you get it. The most important thing about LV canvas bag is the canvas. You want to make sure there's no damage, because if it's ripped or torn somewhere, then LV will not repair it. So you look at all the edges. Look at all the edges. Make sure nothing's ripped. Make sure all the canvas looks good. And I can confirm there's no damage on the canvas. But there's some splitting in the leather, like here. And here. And wear on the leather pieces like this. Which, that's okay, because leather can be repaired. And this was described in the listing, so I'm very aware of this, and this is not an issue for me. Then you want to check the zipper. Make sure it goes back and forth. And this one is a little bit harder to open and close, and that's because this one has what we call a more concealed zipper. That means when you zip it, the zipper's on the inside. See, it's concealed, you don't see it. But the newer models, the zipper is actually on the outside. So the ones where the zipper's on the outside, it's easier to open and close. But I prefer this look, because you see more of the Infrarouge print. But it does make the zipping, opening, closing more difficult. So, what's the problem? If you look close, you can see the zipper is ripped. That means the zipper needs to be replaced. The thing is, with these bags, when they replace the zipper, they're going to put it on the outside. And that's not the look that I want. I understand that it makes more sense, it's more practical, but I am a gold hardware girly, and this is silver hardware. So I was okay with this having the concealed zipper, so you don't see much of the silver hardware, but when I replace the zipper, it's going to be on the outside. The first thing I did was take photos and send it to Yuki's Closet. They gave me additional 10% off, which is $135, which takes it down to about $1,220, which is great, but wouldn't fully cover the cost of fixing the zipper. And remember, when the zipper is fixed, it's going to be on the outside. At $1,220, you can't even buy an LV bag at that price today. So I took a few days to think about it. I was torn. 50% I would keep it, and 50% I would return it. Let's rewind. Why did I buy this? First, I love the Infrarouge print. And this print was available only in a few styles. The Pochette Matisse, which has a big S-lock closure in the front, which I don't like. The Alma has the black patch corners, which I don't like. The Dora comes in 2 sizes, and the MM is too big. And I did find one photo of the Keepall, which is beautiful, but I don't buy Keepalls or any of the luggage bags from LV because I wouldn't use it. I'd be too afraid. So there's 2 choices left, this backpack and the Dora BB. I saw other YouTubers wear this in many ways, and I thought this would be the most versatile. But most importantly, I wear a lot of denim in black. This print goes really well with black and denim. Kourtney Kardashian accessorized this with red sunglasses. I have red sunglasses. This should work with my current wardrobe, as I don't want to buy a whole nother outfit just to rock this new bag. But the issue is that this bag just doesn't look that great on me. The bag dimension is too small. I need this to be a little bit bigger, to be flattering on me. There's another backpack, which is 1 size up, the PM. That is way too big, and this is just way too small. When I wear this, it makes me look, there's no way to sugarcoat this. When I wear this, it makes me look fat, and I'm not fat. I'm not super skinny, but I'm definitely not fat. And that's because this bag is not a great proportion to my height or my weight. It just doesn't flatter me at all. And the lesson I need to learn time and time again is don't buy bags that don't look good on me. Also, this backpack, the straps dangle too much, which I find super annoying. There are so many ways to wear this bag. If I were to wear it as a backpack, I would crisscross it like this. I think this looks cute. But again, the bag makes me look too fat. Another option is on the side, but this is not a look that I would rock. Of course, on the front. For me, it sticks out too much, but I get it. If I had kids, this would be great to have it in front of me to open and close. But on me, this looks too awkward. As a top handle, I think this looks best on me, but I would find this not practical for me to be running around all day like this. I tried this with different outfits, dresses, pants, and skirts, and it just doesn't work. And I know myself. If I kept this, it'd be sitting on a shelf, and I want to stop collecting bags just because they're pretty. I'm glad I had an entire fashion show by myself in my own closet to come to this conclusion. When I say to myself, I'll make it work, that means I can't find an outfit or a situation that I would use this today, but I'll keep trying. Which is never a good strategy, and it's almost 100% guaranteed fail. So sadly, I'm crossing this off my wish list and sending this back. I hope to add a Infrarouge piece to my collection someday, because I really love this print. It's not the brown monogram that you see everywhere. It's fun and it's edgy at the same time. So, what do you think? Do you think I made the right decision? Let me know, and I'll see you in the next one.